Sit. He's showing you some photographs, sir. Okay, sit down. Sit. All of you sit. 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 Sit down. Manish is feeling very shy. Manish, you go closer. Lohit, come little closer. Lohit, come little closer. They stopped due to health problem. One is having. Say, who's your mummy, your grandfather, your grandmother? You tell them.